To the boy guy, this is a big breaking. First of all, let me congratulate you. The thing that we were all demanding, Riya Chakrabarti arrest. Yes, my friends, Riya Chakrabarti is now arrested by NCB, the Narcotic Control Bureau. Yes, my friends, in the case of drug exchange, and now the interrogation will start in a very big way. She will remain in the custody of NCB till they do not get the answers of all the questions that they want to ask. बिकॉज रिया चक्रवर्ती बहुत कोशिश कर रही थी कि वो झूठ बोले और वो छुपा रही थी. पहले उन्होंने कहा था कि शी इज नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन ड्रग, बट नाउ शी हैव एक्सेप्टेड दैट यस she was involved in the drug exchange and she used to give drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput. Yes, my friends, it's a big breaking, and let me first of all clap for all the people, all of you guys who shared these videos, who commented on the videos, and who keep on fighting for justice for Sushant. And it is a big breaking, and I always promised you that I am always there for the right people, right cause, and the real humanity. And the way I have stood before as well for the people, जिसको पूरा इंडिया इग्नोर करता है कभी कभी नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन को, I stood for them. I stood for the people of even Nepal as well when the people were raping the girls, and I always raised voice for that. I stood for the South Indian people as well, and I stood for the complete nation as well. And this is a win of complete nation, the complete India. 130 crore people win, because this was the voice of the people that they want to raise, and it was the voice of the youth, the boy as well, who was fighting for this justice. And I really feel very happy. But the war have not completed, the war is not ended, because अभी ये जंग शुरू हुई है, and now the war just initiated. This arrest is not for the Sushant murder. This arrest is for the involvement of Riya Chakrabarti in giving drugs to Sushant. So we have to wait, we have to fight more. And how many of you are with me? Just comment in the video who is going to fight more for justice for Sushant, because CBI yet to take the action for arrest for Riya Chakrabarti. We have to wait for that. But before that, it's a good news that she is now accepting she was involved in drug racket, and now the truth will come out. And guys, if you also want to be a part of this fight and you want to join this fight, do not forget to hit the like button, share this video, and yes, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get the next notification. As I promised you, I will be bringing the main people who are connected to the case. I brought the Surjit Singh Rathore, who was the founder of this word I am sorry Babu, and who revealed as well. We did the exclusive interview yesterday, and more interviews and more interesting things and videos are going to come tonight as well. We are going to do a panel discussion as well. So be there with me. Stay tuned. I'll come with the next video next time. See you. Take care. This is your host Harshit Hingon signing off.